There. So, anong gusto natin? Boomers and speeders. Four swordsman. Huh? If I give you 1 million, where I'm going to get that? Hindi ko rin alam. Sabi ko kunin yan.
People for it all, and I don't nothing at all.
Baby, you, baby.
I got you, baby. Some people for me, and I know for me.
Everything feels nothing.
Nakakita ka ng spider duck, mami?
Spider duck? Ano yan?
Oh, look.
Spider duck. Ooh!
Yan siya isa.
Lugogi! Nakakakyat siya. Oh!
Yan siya.
Lahat sila.
Diba?
Try natin tong 7 hours later. Kaya kanyan. Mingwat. Ito na lang. Pero si coach tayo. Si coach tayo. Yeah! Tagal niya mag-loading. Yeah! May way ba para i-share yung Twitch live dyan? Like, can it be shared to Facebook or something? Check mo na.
Wala.
Wala. So sad. Meron! Ito, may share button siya sa taas.
Bigger.
Then what's this? Wala siya sa app
You mean that blurry
siguro.
line on the horizon? Let's not get ahead of ourselves
Try
here.
mo nga, share mo
Yeah,
nga sa
without
Facebook.
luck, that's just a bridge monster.
Mo!
You speed?
Hmm?
Now watching. Now look at this.
What? Ano ba? Ano?
Now look at this.
Now look at this. Oh no!
You all gotta shoot the tank! You hear me?
Alam mo ba? Maga namang tank nun.
Nice.
We've been through hell getting here.
Nice, I know. It's so
Hell yeah, the
nice.
last mile. Let's make this count.
Thanks, brother. Thank you, Virgil.
I'm just happy
You're a
to be
good
off
man.
that boat.
You got a hell of a boat.
Looks like a friendly place.
Hey, guys, be honest.
So when
Thank
I'm
you.
wrong
Are
side
my
of the
muscles
river,
getting bigger?
things could be worse. All we have to do is find the freeway. It'll take us to the bridge.
No sense in hanging out here.
Silencer. Pag yung ano, ilan ang bala neto? Oh, ito na lang. Please no tank. Wait lang! Ay,
Heads up!
Oh, shoot! Hey, not me!
sorry! Wala na.
Up the stairs.
Anong gagawin? Sorry, may commercial break.
Don't stop now! Shoot it! Hey!
Hey, shoot the tank!
Si Ellie!
Shoot the
Mali ata yung activation.
We got a tank!
Hit it! Hit it!
Down! I can't do this on my own! Give me some help!
Shoot it! Shoot it! Oh, shit! I'm down! Dude, some help over here!
Now we have to change. Hindi ko kaya to. Ano ba? Tank holdout ba yung sinelect ko? Oo nga, tangkaran nga. Sorry naman, tangkaran pala yung sinelect ko. Oh! Try natin to. Shoot zones. Yeah. It's a blessing. Better than you can. Baby, no. Baby, come back. Live without you.
Weapons here!
Look out! Reloading!
I can handle this.
Reloading!
Weapons here.
I hate it. Hindi ko mag-gets yung game. Funny? Okay.
Ginawa mo.
Hindi ko gets. Feeling ko tong ano na to, tong live stream na to is pag-check ng mga available mutation sa Left 4 Dead. Hunting party. Co-op to eh. Ito na lang headset. Himala, hindi napuputol yung live ko. So happy. I'm so happy. Hello!
Gasoline now. We should be in and out of here. Get the gas, get back to shore, signal Virgil with the flare gun and the gun bag. Then we should just, oh, hell. Tell me someone brought the gun bag.
You didn't grab the guns? You didn't grab the guns? Me? Who died and made me? Pretty much everybody.
Look here, the gas station's right across the street. We could have already been there and back by now. Come on. I'm grabbing some. Ammo up here.
Ooh, I love
Watch out!
Jockey! One for you, shit.
Reload! Reloading!
Out of gas. Shit.
Looks like that one just turned into a marathon.
Reloading!
Reloading!
Ah, nga pala. Headshot nga pala ang kailangan dito.
Reloading!
Heads up!
We're gonna be coming back through here, so keep an eye out for the landmark.
Shoot it! Look out!
Reloading!
Through that playground!
You just shot me.
Hey, look out!
I'm reloading.
Hold up. Healing.
I'm a reload!
Oh yeah.
Reloading!
Look out! Reloading! Reloading! Oh shit! Watch out! Come on now! Ain't got no time for this. Get up! Reloading!
Think you gonna cover me? I gotta heal. Yeah, real good.
Hold up.
Watch out!
Reloading.
Watch out!
Got pills.
Don't shoot me! Hey, I'm reloading.
Come on, no gun.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Reloading. Look out! Here they come! Reload!
Reloading.
Through this house.
Reloading.
Reloading.
All right, gun. Got a charger around. Oh, hell yeah. I'm taking an auto shotgun.
Charger! Charger! Underneath coach. I'm a reload. Reloading.
Reloading.
Watch out.
Come get me.
Okay na ako yung nakalimutan yun. Ayoko na. Sorry, ayoko na. This is too much. Magla-live na lang ako ng Sims.